Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here. And today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to My AI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, My AI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how My AI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
Video, I'm going to share with you how you can add content to your team so that you can share it with your team members. So here we're going to go back to Teams, and we already have a team that we've created called Get Fit With Me, and there's a section here called Team Content. Now you can add pages of content just by clicking on this plus button. There's no limit to how many pages you can create, but we're going to go ahead and click that plus button. And we're going to give it a page name. So you could do anything from images to scripts to complete marketing campaigns, but I'm just going to call this Get Fit Campaign here. And you can even change the emoji that kind of goes along with your team if you'd like. And then here, now that we have the Get Fit campaign page, we can add content to this page really easily. So you can add things like text for scripts if you want to, images, links to maybe websites, Facebook groups, maybe it's a link to your Telegram or WhatsApp, wherever you want your team members to be able to go. You can add videos in here, different files, PowerPoints, PDFs, whatever you'd like, even website templates, email templates. So we can do something like this and add our favorite nutrition club template in here so everybody has access to the same exact thing, the same exact website to use that are on your team. You can give it a name, say nutrition club website. And here you can even add another. You can add an email campaign. So add your favorite nutrition club here, and I can just call it email campaign if I want to. And you can add more, right? You can kind of move these sections around if you want to. You can add a script. That you want your team members to have access to. And you can even go so far as adding images, maybe PowerPoints, whatever it is that you would like. You can add those images here too. So I'm just going to try to find an image that I can add really quickly to here. Okay. And this way your team has access to all of this content. Remember, you can move things around if you'd like. Inside, you can add as many pages as you'd like as well. And then when your team goes to use that content, they can simply click on it. They can view the website, or they can add it, that template, to their account just by clicking on this and giving it a website name and URL. And now that website that was once created is in their account for them to use. They can always come back here, all of your team members, and see all of the content that you've shared with them. Remember, you can create multiple pages of content. There is no limit, and you can add things like text, images, links, videos, files, web templates, email templates, and more. It's just that simple to add content to your team. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of My AI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that My AI can do to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on My AI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.